Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video on some of the things I check when I have failed 3D prints. And if you're not into 3D printing, this is definitely what a failed print looks like. This item I printed on a brim. That's this round part on the bottom. And this is PETG, so it's a little bumpy. That usually gets taken off pretty quick afterwards with a file. But this item goes up. It's about yay tall. It's pretty tall for the printer in itself. Well, actually, you can see it actually thought it finished, but it had knocked this off. I can tell you immediately what happens on this particular print of what I fix, and that is this number right here on my Ender 3, the 100%. Inevitably, when I have tall, slanted prints like this, the first thing I do when I print is I go into tune, I go to speed, and I turn it down. And sometimes I'll start at 75%, and if it's something that's difficult to print like this one, I'll take it down to 65%. That inevitably fixes that problem. But first, start with your bed adhesion, right? Your brims, your skirts, your rafts. This brim in particular is supposed to help secure these objects down. The brim works great, but this broke right off the brim because the printer, this Ender 3, it moves fast, what I would call in between laying down the plastic, and oftentimes in these tall slanted prints like this, it will knock it right off the plate. But that's just a couple things you can try when you're printing tall slanted type objects like this one here. That's my quick tip for the day. If you guys like these quick tips, let me know. I can make a lot more of these. These are just things I encounter as I go through the 3D printing adventure. Or if you have other tips, leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know how you handle this type of thing on your specific printer, and start a conversation. Thanks for watching.